Last time driving out of the subdivision with my truck. It's the last day. It's the last day. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working. I'm still busy. I got to do it while I'm driving down the road. Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly Johnston here from Kelly's Truck Talk. This is a sad one. This is going to be my last truck talk. I'm selling my truck. Got it all cleaned up, meeting up with the people today, doing the transfer papers and all that. We sold our trailer, sold our truck. Two sad things actually, because we love both those things. That's the reason I have the truck. The reason we did that is because our life is changing a little bit. Our daughter, who's an adult now, and she's moving not moving to the UK, but we're going to be going to the UK a lot. Her and her husband-to-be are out here, but we see our life changing over the next few years, which is going to leave our truck and trailer kind of sitting around a little bit. So anyway, we've made a decision to sell the truck and trailer. We're going to get a different vehicle that's better on gas and just be more, we already have another vehicle that's good for real estate. So anyway, sad day. It's sad. This is it for the truck today. So this is my last truck talk today. So yeah. So last day driving down the highway in the truck, and anyway, this video is going to be kind of short and sweet. But I should say, I have lots of Kelly's Truck Talk videos, lots of them. And I've got many more produced by the time, while I'm doing this video. I know there's a few more in the hopper to still kind of come out yet. And but I should say, check out those videos. I'm talking about stuff that's pertinent to the real estate industry to help real estate agents succeed and maybe get over some humps, maybe a thought pattern, whatever it is. So that's all free information. We've got a bunch of videos that are specific information videos as well, and I've got more coming. And then I've got the real estate course that I sell right now. As of recording this video at this moment, the price of the course is $297, and it's basically 25 videos, 14 hours of content in there right now. And basically I've got about 20 tools, PDF tools to help someone. There's a few people, about 4 or 5 people in the course recently that have actually said to me that this is stuff that they've never learned, never heard of before. No one's ever taught this to them before. And that's why I put these videos together, because it's hard to do in an organized format to train new agents. I've got experienced agents who have been in the business more than 5 years, some more than 10 years, that have taken the course. But the brand new agents, they're just eating this stuff up right now. So I hope that can help you. It's $297. It's eventually going to go to $2,000 once I can get somebody that has the technical fortitude to kind of make the changes on the site. I've got a bunch of changes I'm going to make on the site, and I got to get that done. And I just honestly, that is the reason that it hasn't changed. It's almost embarrassing, but that's what's going on. Anyway, I encourage you to go there and do that. And since this is my last Kelly's Truck Talk in the truck going down the highway, I should talk about that. I should let you know that is something that you can take advantage of, and it's super simple to take advantage of it. Just go to 4xformula.com. Just go there, click on all the stuff there. There's tons of information. I hope you make a decision to move forward on it. It will make a difference in your business. It absolutely will give you stuff to do immediately that you can do, anyone can do, And I think that's the challenge, right? Like, and you know you're going to get results from it when you do it. Like, that's the cool thing. So I really hope you take advantage of that. Anyway, that's the Kelly's Truck Talk for today on this. And in the meantime, we're going to say goodbye to the truck. We're going to say goodbye to it. I'm wearing black today. It's a sad day. It's a sad day for the truck and me parting, and enjoyed the truck for about 6 years. Kept it nice, and the guy who was buying it did a private deal. I think he's going to enjoy it. So there you go. That's the new owner, and you know what? He's a Raiders fan.